Hey, welcome back, Math 7. So this con is called Probabilities of Compound Events. So compound events means two or more events. In this case, we're doing two events. So if you roll two fair six-sided dice, what is the probability of showing that at least one dice shows a 3? Now here's the deal. You're going to come to me and you're going to ask me many times, hey, Mr. Anderson, is this right? Well, I don't get how to do it. And I'm going to say, have you drawn a chart out to chart it? I don't know how to do that. So let me explain to you how to draw out a chart. If I have two dice and I'm going to roll those, here's what your chart should look like. You're going to have a chart for all your black dice and for your white dice. So if I roll a 1 with my black dice, I could roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. If I roll a 2 with my black dice, I could roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 with my white dice. I continue to do that for every single number. Then you'll notice I have 6 choices going this way, and I have 6 choices going this way for a grand total of 36 choices. Now we could answer our question. What's the probability that at least one die will show a 3? Well, here all the black dice show 3s. Here all the white dice show 3s. So initially most people go, oh, well, that would be 12 out of 36 then. But no, because you'll notice that we counted this one going both directions. So really, if you count up the boxes, we do have 6 going this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But then 7, 8, we have to skip it because we already counted this one. 9, 10, 11. We have 11 out of 36 possibilities. Now, is this simplified? Yep, that is. So that's my final answer. Okay, let's do another one. On this one, Elizabeth lives in San Francisco and works in Mountain View. In the morning, she has 3 transportation options. She could take the bus, she could take a cab, or she could take a train. On the way home, she has the exact same 3 choices, a bus, a cab, or a train. So what's the probability that she will choose a cab exactly one time? So here's what we got. We're going to chart this out. Okay, so I'm going to take, if she were to drive the bus in the morning, she could take the bus, a cab, or a train in the evening. If she were to take a cab in the morning, she could take a bus, a cab, or a train home. If she took a train in the morning, she could take a bus, a cab, or a train home. That's how you chart them out. Now, how many of these have exactly one cab? No, yes. No, yes. No, because that one actually has 2 cabs, which is not exactly one cab. So no to this one, yes to this one, no to this one, yes to this one, no to that one. So it's a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the 9. See, can I simplify 4 over 9? No, I cannot. So that is then the answer to the question. All right, make sure when you do these, you map these out, you chart them out like this, so then it's much easier. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.